Oh no. You know what it's like.
Let's go off GSG. At 50 yards.
More snow.
Huh?
More snow.
Oops.
Guess who we're hitting? Oh, you're hitting that thing.
So I hit the small one. Medium one. Big one. Small one.
Done.
There, that's 25 shots.
Alright.
Oh, shit.
What did I hit?
You broke the board.
Broke the board down. I'm gonna show you for that.
Oh God.
And then the show's not that good.
Good.
You know, hold your other hand up right there, that thing comes by.
Alright, well we're getting ready to leave. Sounds like we're doing a little rapid fire. 18 rounds, 16 rounds, can't really tell. I didn't count them as a loader. Ready, Pat?
Yeah, I'm ready. How many rounds did you shoot? About
18.
18.
Mm-hmm.
Six together. Which one's two packet?
No, that's how Stoker's, Grandma.
It's Stoker's. They don't think I do this. Remember when I used to rub for Kenny, for Kurt? I was pregnant. No, it was for Heather, I think. Oh. Hey, Merry Christmas, guys! Here it goes. Woohoo! Even finger looking good.